Big polluters cover up their dirty business by pretending to be green, but their scams have dangerous consequences. French oil giant Total claims they're committed to a clean energy future, but they recently bought rights permitting future oil drilling in pristine peatland forest of the Republic of Congo. The world needs to have emissions over the next decade, so oil must stay in the ground. Total claims they can compensate for the damage caused by their oil by planting a 40,000-hectare tree farm elsewhere in Congo, which they say can soak up millions of tons of their climate pollution. But don't be fooled. Total's oil addiction threatens the world's largest tropical peatland, which stores an equivalent of 20 years of the USA's fossil fuel emissions. This is home to indigenous peoples and a vital wildlife refuge for lowland gorillas. And the tree farm? Well, Total wants to plant a fast-growing tree crop that isn't native to the natural savanna ecosystem. The wood from this intensive tree farm will feed the timber industry. The reality is that this scheme does nothing to end Total's oil addiction, which is fueling the climate and biodiversity crisis.